Question number 2, practice set 4.1. In triangle PQR, similar triangle LTR, PQ equal to 4.2 centimeter, QR equal to 5.4 centimeter, PR equal to 4.8 centimeter. Construct triangle PQR and LTR such that PQ upon LT equal to 3 upon 4. Okay. So in this triangle PQR and LTR, coordinate R is similar in both the triangle. Coordinate R is similar in both the triangle. If like this condition is there, that time we will directly construct triangle. So first we will construct the triangle PQR, because PQ, QR and PR, both the sides of all the sides of PQR are given. So first we will construct the triangle PQR. We will draw QR 5.4. QR 5.4. After that we take the distance PR 4.8. We keep the steel point on R and draw one arc. Then distance PQ 4.2. Keep the steel point on Q. Okay, then we will got point P. Then we will draw the lines PR and PQ. After that, see, R is a common point in triangle PQR and triangle LTR. So from the coordinate R, we will make acute angle. We will draw acute angle. These lines we can divide into the 4 equal parts. See the ratio of PQ upon LT, 3 upon 4. So 4 is a greater number, so that we can divide this line into 4 equal parts. So in compass you can take any small distance and divide this line into the 4 equal parts. One, two, three, 4. give the names R1, R2, R3, R4. Okay, so in triangle PQR, PQ 3. So from the point R3, we'll draw the line from R3 and Q. So let's we join these 2 points R3 and Q. Okay, after that, now let's see properly. After that, in a compass, take small distance, okay, and from point R3 and R4, we will draw the arc. Let's see. Keep your still point on R3 and draw the arc. Same from R4. Keep your still point on R4 and draw the arc. Okay, after that, see, from this arc we got here one intersect point. From this point to this, we will take that distance in a compass. It is not R2, it is a different intersect arc. So take that distance in your compass. Okay, and by using the same this distance, you can keep your still point on here and then draw the arc. Okay, then we'll increase this line QR. After that, we'll join these 2 points till this line. See that this line must be parallel to QR3. QR3. See, it is passing through these 2 points and it is parallel to QR3. Okay. Now we got a point here T. Okay. Now the same process we will again follow. Keep the small distance in compass. Draw the arc from point Q. So keep your still point on Q. Draw the arc. Again same from the point T. Keep your still point on T and draw one arc. Okay. Now measure this distance from this to this in a compass and draw the arc from this point. It is not a Q, it is a different point. Okay. Then we will increase the line PR. Then we will draw lines from this point. Okay, but this line must be parallel to PQ. This line must be parallel to PQ. So we got the next coordinate, that is L. So this is our triangle LTR, LTR and PQR. Okay, LTR and PQR. So this is a very simple step. So you must remember all these steps properly to solve this example. Okay. Okay, bye, and try to solve it in your notebook.